I know. Bye. Well, that was a nice visit. Bye, I'll see you later. Okay. Hey guys, so I just dropped off my friends and I'm driving home right now. I think we're going to church today. I believe so. But I am just going home, and the night out with my friends was very fun. I'm sorry if like the footage was kind of all over the place. It's just I don't want them to like question my videography. You know, why am I filming? And that's a good question. But it's for me to know and them to find out. So I'll actually talk to you guys a little bit later because I have to focus on driving. But yeah, bye. So right now I'm back with my family and we're about to go to church. So right now we're gonna head into church. Okay, so we just finished with church. There is CJ. You have anything to say to the people?
She's not gonna go to you.
You have anything to say to the people? Okay, and I don't know what we're gonna be doing next, but you guys will see in the next clip. I guess you guys will know before me.
Definitely no enough weird. Time so that
and we do. And there's Mom. Mom, what are you doing?
You have the key, Jordan?
Do it again.
No.
Do it again.
No.
Out of nowhere, CJ just started putting up this different soundboard from Man's Not Hot.
No ketchup.
What's wrong with you? No. Okay, CJ, I don't know what that's all about. That's from the song Man's Not Hot. I don't know, but there's Lauren and Mom. Okay. So you guys already know I got that Quiero Taco Bell. I got, thank you Mom. I got a beefy nacho griller and the 2 chicken tacos. I really want to test how they taste. And I got the Baja Blast.
Just you should go to it now. The one at home is gonna be just as long.
Okay, so right now we're going to our local Lowe's to see what kind of trees they're working with this year. These are all tiny. No, it's small. Yeah, you're like 5.
It's a nice tree.
It's barely.
Stand by the tree. That's how it's gonna be.
Are you guys are just looking for tallness?
Yes.
Who do you think he? Wait, that tree was fine.
No, it wasn't.
Lord, you're not gonna be here.
Ooh.
Here, go to your house.
I bought my own tree that I'll be putting up from Target. So that's what I'll be doing next week.
These don't have any that.
Putting up my tree.
Yeah, they don't match any of the criteria. So. Trash, trash, trash. They're all small. There's no distinguishing. There's no distinguishing. No, these are getting shorter and shorter as we progress. This is not the place. It's not the place for us. No. We want big.
They're looking for tallness.
Alright, this is not the place. Mom, once we walked in here, I would have seen one that caught my eye. None of these are catching my eye. No. No, Sean. No. It's a little baby boy. That's a baby.
Nice in the corner.
Dad, what? We usually have big, nice trees. This is a small little link. I could go into my room. Alright, let's go. I'm not gonna walk around and look at these small boys.
Where did we get the? Do we get up here in the front? The bigger ones are up in the front.
No, we need to go to the one behind KFC. No. It's okay, but not what I'm looking for. They're big.
What do you guys
I want this one.
think?
CJ, look at this.
So you liking this one over that one? Keep in mind some of this from laying up against others, some of it will drop down a little more. Yes, sir.
So we ended up going with the big tree.
Finishing them up real quick.
What do you think? They're big? Yeah, I know what's best for the family. So right now we just came into our local, Weiss market store. And we're picking stuff for lunch tomorrow. I don't want to go to school, y'all. Like, honestly, it's the struggle. Got my Apple Jacks. And here's some other stuff that we got. Pretty basic. So my dad just brought the tree into the house, and now I'm gonna help with the place. Back up a little bit.
Okay.
Now what? So there is the tree in all its glory. Wait, why? Why do you get a free pass? Why do you get a free pass? I see. I'm coming too.
I lifted it up.
Hi.
All those leaves before.
Just stop being a wuss. Our dad is asking us to go outside and pick up some leaves, and me and CJ, we don't want to do that myself. So it's a little bit later. As you can see, we got that whole pile's gone. Okay. Whew. Not my cup of tea to be doing any kind of labor, but just helping out. Like, it's not like I didn't have a choice. Bentley's just in here having some fun. Where are you? There you are. Come here. Look at you run. Oh my. Come here. Oh, so cute. Oh my. You are just running all around. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, Bentley. You are a fast little guy. This way? Can you come this way? Come on. Come here. Come here. Good boy. And that's Bentley. So right now we made it to, what's it called? Oh, I want this in my room. We made it to Target because we don't have a tree topper. Well, we have one, but we just want to get a new one, So we're just looking around and all the stuff, Target stays pretty lit. I kind of want to get one of these small little trees for my room for a little bit of like decoration, but I have to really think about it. And look at these little bulbils. That's what British people call these little, what are they called here? Ornaments. They call them bulbils, which is pretty lit. But yeah, okay, this thing's gonna have to shut. Oh, okay, bye. So we're just looking at these things, but some of them are like $35, which is not really what we're looking for.
Under the tree top. No, we don't want that. Oh, what about this one? How much is this one? Oh, 35.
Why are you still looking? Because I just want to make sure I got the right one. Get the phone. Why don't open it? This is a Chandra show. She said always is. So it seems like Lauren is going to give her son his first ever bath. Are you ready, Bentley? And she bought him this carrier. He's not ready. So it's basically the end of the night. We are all about to go to sleep, but me and my mom have to go get some gas for my car. It's like 10 p.m. but we gotta do it, you know. Also, we didn't put any. This is what the Christmas tree looks like. In hindsight, I wish we picked a thicker one. But once we put like everything on it and stuff, it's gonna look amazing.
So the worst critic in the world. Like, she critiques everything in life. Like, nothing is satisfactory to her. Like, I don't know, when she gets hit adulthood, she's gonna be in a tough awakening.
It's called.
Am I right?
It's called a rude awakening. Anyway, but as I said, like what she means is like I like everything to be, you know, up to par with my standards, and this is
like, if y'all are adults out there and y'all know when you get hungry some nights when you live by yourself and then all you got is waffles in the freezer and that's all you have to eat for dinner. She couldn't do that. Like, she literally could not do that. She doesn't know like the
can't get your wording right, communication major. Oh, anyway,
I saw you trip.
CJ, anybody try to play it like it
My
ain't?
feet.
What you're about to fight?
We just watched The Ball Family, and we watched The Rap Game. This season of The Rap Game is definitely not as good as the previous seasons. They're like unprepared. Usually, like I thought that the trend of this show would be like, oh my gosh, I thought the trend of the show would be like, it's gonna get better and better each season. But this is like a step back. Like, where did Jermaine get these people? Also, The Ball Family is also like a good show, you know. Pretty boring. I think this episode was pretty boring compared to the other ones.
Yeah, like he just had the Lakers game. How is that boring?
They talked about Lonzo's first Lakers game, but I like to have some more mellow parts because he's very funny and I get a nice laugh, you know. But and also I wanted some more Jello parts.
You okay?
Y'all weird dude. But that's basically it for this vlog. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Ow!